Hey guys, today I'm going to explain you about IAM user, how you can create a user in AWS. So basically you can just click on the recent visitor, or you can just search in over here, IAM. You can just click on that. Once you click, you can just click on the user. After clicking the user, you can just click on the create user. You can create the user. So over here, you can just select the user access to the AWS Management Console. You can just create a custom password or auto-generated password. If you're going with a custom password, okay, you can select this option because that's recommended. The reason, like, once the user will logged in, he can just change the password. So we are just clicking on the next. You can add the user group, permissions, or policies. So here we just adding the policy like S3. S3 full access. So I'm just sending this access, and you can see the 2 access they have to change the password and to full access of S3. Once I click on the create user, you'll get these details. You can just click on the email. So you can send the email to that user, or you can just download the CSV, and then you can just share these details with that particular user. Yeah, thank you. That's all.